Like inceka kakhulu ku-internet, yabo?
Yeah.
And it isebenza around the social media and internet. Then what
Yeah.
happens if we wake up one day and then all of this is gone and you have to start over? Where do you start?
I won't lie, mentally they would F me up mentally. But like I'd have to restart. I'd
Yeah.
have to restart. I don't really have a choice. I'd have to.
How?
Like obviously creates new account. I'd have to go as harder than I used to.
Do you think you'll survive without those numbers? Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Semajiteni olesithathu. Ngiyabona namhlanje semnyango kushaya umoya. Yabanda kancane yashikowele bafethu ayikho into esizoyenza kodwa sanithembisa ukuthi sizonigaya consistent. So today is one of those days where siyafuna ukuthi silale emakhaya but akwenzeki because khona nina lesithathu amajiti igama uAndile wakaNcobo esimahashule Shulex mangabe seNorth. Ngiyazi wafethu anikwazi kubona mina bese kwazi ukuthi mina kuphela khona yabo semajiteni ngishilo bakhona loba bazoyichaza ukuthi bahleli kuphi nga one by one bese beyibuyisa back like mina awuyizwa
Danke machiteni sesikhona Purple Shepherd intwana sathi hey kuyabanda yabona le inombolo ngempela kodwa ke sikhona just to deliver man sibuyile sema outside. Big shout out to everybody that's been tapping into the Ins podcast. Make sure that you subscribe. Imasha ngempela. Sesikanje.
Danke machiteni. Athi danke mzala. Danke mhlobo.
Danke futena kuja.
Ngakhanya yazi nina bo. Athi ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, uTeddy wakanzama, also known as uTeddy we Coffee. Tango.
Oh, it's me. Awutheda kameshina ngakani ukuthi ushaye ikhathi.
Awuphethe. Yacebezela namhlanje. Ngathi ke ngahlala la ngaphambi.
Noma nje. Anyway, I'm one half of Amasistera. Living sister.
Likolozile namhlanje.
But I'm
Ziyagodola.
one half
mfethu,
of Amasistera. Angel Mtela, the one that may tell a joke but never tells a lie.
Danke machiteni. Danke mzala. Danke mhlobo. Danke Shulex. Danke Purple Shepherd. Mashe kakhulu namhlanje amajita asekhalile singaphandle. Welcome to the Ins podcast, ladies and gentlemen. Igama uNkanyiso Nqome, your co-host. Danke machiteni.
Anyezwa ke nani kanyiso mfethu kuyihlahla la emva kwethu. Kwento eyenzakalayo ifikile iwinter. Mawusi kanjani bafethu hlalani endlini nibatho blanket nibuke thina ayikho enye indlela esingenza ngayo bafana bami. Kanje otherwise nizoyithola senisekingeni senibuya nabantu abarong. Ayifunakali leyo nto le. Bafethu otherwise please follow us on Instagram it's the Ins podcast. On TikTok, it's the Ins podcast. On Facebook, futhi sikhona nakhona, it's the Ins podcast. And then also on YouTube, siyacela bafethu, mawukuthi awuko-subscribe, it's fine, ungasibuka. But mhlawumbe after my episode awu-2, vela phela nawe windini mfethu ukhombisa ukuthi uyasupport kwizinto ethi zizokhula. Ngiyazi ngihlezi ngichazela into eyodwa every time Shepherd bayazi mfethu. Ukuze sikwazi ukunilethela ama-guest eniwafunayo enzowa-enjoy nama-episodes meniwabuka. Ninga complain nithi hayi bafethu siqala ukubhora le shandisi. Nyazi sikhonela nina thina yabo. Today is one of those days. Siphethe izinto ezimnandi yabo.
Correct.
You know sometimes mangabe ufuna ukwenza something uba discouraged. Isikhathi esiningi baba njalo lonke umuntu before aqala ubona lento uthi but ngizoyenza kanjani lento yabo. But then internet is one of those things where you go to and you really find inspiration khona yabo. And I feel like namhlanje lo muntu esimphethe bazomenjoya kakhulu because he's there, he's on the internet, he's done things on the internet.
Sure.
He's an actor, he's a content creator, he's a multi-award winning content creator. Let me clarify. Angikwazi ukukhele phezulu he's a multi-award winning content creator.
Shout out.
He's a music video director. Mangabe ngikhuluma manje uzotshethi ngikhuluma umuntu waseGoli, umuntu wala eThekwini, and most of all njengabantu esekhulunywana kaningi kuthiwa hayi bafethu asinabo la eThekwini abantu abama YouTube. He's also a YouTuber. I think one of the first la eThekwini nje uvele baphume babe blind yabo.
Sure.
Abamaziyo ke nabamlandelayo no rooms abakhe. Bambizo internet Somandla mfethu. Skits by Spare.
The one and only.
Welcome.
Hey, what an intro, yo.
Ukrend.
Angiyaphila mfethu njani?
Skrend mfethu. Hayi thina siyarindi relaxana ekhaya mfethu. Uthi uyinyakazisa kancane mfethu okhululeke. Xoxa izamajita.
It was the intro was it was a heavy intro, yo.
Ngathi hlale buyibuza sayimina lo mfethu. Otherwise ukrend.
Ngiyaphila mfethu njani?
Ngikrend. Cisha kubiza igama lakho ngempela but bengifuna uzisho wena yabo.
It's the one and only Internet Somandla Skits by Spare. Uma wangibiza ngosiphelele, sibongo ngakacele.
Yeah.
Yeah, ngikhulele kandengeze sekhaya, and then I grew up on the internet as well, so yeah.
Kuburena lethe unithola abantu abakanjalo mfethu yabo. I think one of the reasons why sikulethela is because also nathi is operator kuleso space, internet, YouTube nazo zonke lezo zinto kanjalo, and so whoever abantu abafana nawe eThekwini sibuyele kubona yabo. Ade chaza omunye umngane wethu la uJack. Angazi uJack, why uJack engezange uzointroduce abafethu. Mhlawumbe ukhona nolwazi kanyesi.
Uzovela ubra wethu.
Yeah, bakhona outset ekuthiwa uJack eshaya isingisi kakhulu yabo. Leyo outsike naye befuneka iintroduce. Nje wathi chaza nje uthi ayibuka kudala naye sashaya isikole. Yabo. So I think mfethu ngaphandle lokho usinspiration kakhulu nabanye abaningi bethu la, but asikho lapha yabo. Esifuna ukwathi thina la ukuthi ubalo mfethu ohleli phambi kwethu.
Your intro was you already said everything. But just saying shit on your vids. Content creator, music video director, multi-award winning.
Yeah.
Internet Somandla, Umchita, who was inspired to create contents because Ntombazane angifuna.
Shout out.
And Ntombazane Lena, she had a crush on USFresh. If you know USFresh is like the pioneers, the guys that started this thing. So this girl had a crush on him.
Yeah.
And then I was like, if this girl has a crush on this guy, if I could do what this guy does, then, maybe I might be closer to getting the girl.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I didn't get the girl, but that's how Skits by Spare was born.
Yeah.
So, yeah, pretty much that.
Wait. Uyifuna le theke.
Icheri in a crash kumchita to 2 years fresh.
Oh, okay.
Wakala ama skits and everything.
Fresh Gobese.
Fresh Gobese.
Oh.
So I was like, if I could do what this guy does, and then,
Yeah.
well, like I said, I didn't get the girl, but Skits by Spare was Zalwa.
Oh, yeah, that's nice. That's nice. So it's 704?
704 is Sekaya. One thing is,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Sifuna understand leyo part but nasikwazi uyikhela phezulu lento bese yabo.
Sekhaya, kanti
Wesibabonile abantu
Kulela
baphuma khona. I think kanti there's so many there's so many of them.
DJ
Yeah,
Boss.
there's so many of them.
Pearl Tusi apparently.
No, she's from there. I've seen her
yeah.
family. Yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot of people. Tim Kosi, Tim. Yeah, there's a lot of people.
Yeah. And then how do you grow up the life? One thing isn't cooler.
I played sports my whole life, so I was never exposed to Elokshin. I don't think because I got cricket.
Yeah.
I played cricket,
Shout out.
so I come from a Christian family as well, and it's apostolic. Sonta 7 days a week. I was in the choir, Shai Staple, Baba. And during the weekends, Bengali cricket. So yeah, that's how everything started. Because I'm a skit at school.
Wait, kamanzini noma
ngafundela in college.
Oh.
So there was a friend of mine, like too able, who I introduced like YouTube, and this was like, this was almost 10 years ago. This was like almost 10 years
So
ago.
pushy.
Yeah, and then Gabota lento le yenzeka, and there's not a lot of people that are doing it because at the time, what's like I'm a Vine,
Yeah.
about King Patch, and then that's how I started. Yeah.
And then when did you take it very serious? What has in mind? Ngaphandle kwe-chair.
Yeah.
Because I understand the logo chair, yabo. La usubuka khona uthi yazi actually these things ingenzela imali manje or I'm getting the attention from abantu yabo. Le wayiqala khona wathi hayi manje hayi futhi ngayenza ke lento.
I think just like every other content creator that blows up everywhere, you only take this work seriously when you go viral.
Yeah.
Your first video going viral is like, oh, okay, I can actually do this thing, So I dropped my first video, it went viral, and then I was like, okay, I can actually do this, Also being inspired by other content creators at the time, I wish you see Kota or Fesh or Tafaya or CV or okay Wasabi.
Yeah.
So yeah, went viral the first time, and then that's how we started. Created my first video, was on Facebook. And then at the time, because it was a long time ago, it was like 2017. At the time, I was like free Twitter. I'm saying was on a free tweet. So that's where we used to like dominate. Yeah, well. And then obviously, as in Leli Hamba, you meet other content creators. I met Leon. I met MDM. We formed a group. We called it Ito Jelly Gang,
Yeah.
which was like a movement. Not really a group, it was like a movement. And then we'd collaborate and create content. And then, yeah, that's how it happened.
That's so dope, man. Take us back to the first day where you saw that you went viral. Because for sure, when you guys making it, you didn't think about going viral and stuff. You were just like,
Yeah.
let's just create, you know?
Yeah.
And then what was that? Is it like the reaction, seeing that you are going viral? How did it make you feel, you know?
Yeah, it actually made me feel kind of happy because
Yeah.
it gave me a sense of I'm in the right direction.
Sure.
Yeah, well. So going viral, because when we started, look fast your force.
Yeah.
Because the people that are doing this were people from Joburg.
Yeah.
Like I said, or Fesh.
Yeah.
So it's a really, we're like the first people to do it, the
Yeah.
Damas kids. Yeah, well,
Yeah.
so it was like, about force, bazenza lab. So when you go viral, you need okay,
Sure.
Nami, I'm no, the country is watching, the people are
Yeah.
watching. So the first time it was on Facebook, you know, bana 10,000 views, you know.
Sure.
If
And
you've
up-
never,
yeah,
if you've never gotten 10,000 views, it's like,
Sure.
okay, I will keep refreshing.
Yeah, ngiyabanyisa-ke,
Oh, ngiyabangena manje. Like 100,000 views.
Sure.
You even go viral.
Yeah,
Everyone
yeah.
is seeing you, is noticing you. Yeah, what
Yeah.
gives you that confidence.
Yeah.
And then after that, nothing was the same.
That's so dope,
Yeah.
man. That's so helpful, man.
Yeah.
So then from there, what was the creativity behind it? That you we're all like, we want to create stuff that are gonna go viral, or you're just gonna keep it being creative and just do stuff that you love?
Well, man, academically, I wasn't good.
Yeah.
So I needed the boost.
Yeah.
Cricket, I didn't make it.
Yeah.
Because I wanted to play professional. That was like my first dream, to play professional. But cricket, yeah, just like any other sports, hamba ngeminyaka.
Sure.
So at some point, it will have to become a hobby, and then maybe 7 and 9 to 5.
Yeah.
So, yeah, after going viral, I created more contents that went viral.
Yeah.
Laqala igama lami laziwa.
Sure.
I could tell by the first year ngifunda ukuthi
Did you feel any pressure, like, to create stuff that are gonna go viral after you went viral, or you just like, you know what? Let me just continue producing the work that I love. You know?
That's actually a good question.
Yeah.
But yes, because after going viral, you always expect to see your other video is
Yeah.
gonna get
Yeah.
you know the same views or the same reactions as
shwebe.
the previous video. If really shwebe, yabo.
Yeah.
But because we are be like, okay, let me try another one. Let me try again. Because when it comes to content, you need to keep trying.
Yeah.
So yeah, the pressure was there to continue going viral, but like akufani ke. So there was that.
Hey, mfethu mina ngifuna ukubuyisela emuva kancane Shepherd, yabo.
Sure.
Because you remember earlier when I mentioned ukuthi the industry is one of those where noma ngathi une-confidence kangakanani, but then ukuqala is the most difficult part. Yabo. So when you go outside, I'm sure you've gotten these questions a lot. So first, how did you start? Yabo? And I'm sure would say this highlight, but the confidence ukuthi uzothi I can do this thing. Shindaba yechiri. Shindaba yafresh, shindaba ala abantu monkade usubenzile, because ekugcineni omunye umuntu nawe sekubukile nawe,
Yeah, sure.
yabo, usebonile ukuthi khona umuntu ekuthiwa skits owenza lento le, so I can also do this thing, yabo. And mhlambe they feel discouraged ukuthi I come from maybe elokishini, and elokishini there's not so many opportunities. Remember the other time at the Sino Simo, I think Simo no Spay, they advocate a lot for ilokishi now, so and the more disadvantage is coming from elokishini, yabo. So that courage is good as in fit. I'm just gonna do this thing no matter what happens. I have abantu abang-inspire,
Yeah.
but obviously ngekubabuka every time, because now you have to have your own thing going on, and nanokuthi uthole identity yakho ezusiphe, yabo, on the internet. Iqala kanjani nje yonke lento le?
Hey, but like I said, Mina, if academically I knew I wasn't gonna make it. So it was either this or nothing. Yeah. Already calling I could tell in South I'm gonna drop out. Because I got too popular in school. I was like, I know. I'm boy
It's
next
not
year.
gonna work.
I'm like, I know I'm boy. And then, like you said, encouragement. The more people that encourage you, the more the messages you get on social media, the people that you meet, go on, Kellogg, and also like getting your first brand deal. That's where you see, okay, I'm in the right direction.
Yeah.
So, like you said, the most important part is just starting. And then the rest, the fame, the numbers is gonna follow. Just as long as you are original and consistent.
One thing I remember the most about Twitter at the time, it used to be very. I think Lewakala connected to black tweets. I'm not sure if
Yeah.
ngaleso sikhathi,
Advocates, Peru, and all.
So,
yeah. I was
So
there.
I've been Twitter kanjani ngaleso
I was,
sikhathi?
for us, dog, it wasn't like now. Now it's such a mean platform now.
Yeah.
There it was, we drop our content and then we get our reactions because we knew creating content, there's always someone watching.
Yeah.
You might not make it now or next week, but this thing is going to work.
Yeah.
There's always someone watching. And Twitter was such a positive platform at the time. Because I think everything changed after when free Twitter left.
Yeah.
Hey, it started becoming toxic.
Yeah.
And, but at the time for us,
Yeah.
that's 7
Yeah, when Jack Dorsey was still around, and,
Yeah.
I hate him for selling Twitter.
Yeah, just 7 now it's yeah.
Asekushawa imali maye bayakhokhela
Yeah, of
bazokwenza
course.
njani.
There's a lot of rage baiting now.
Yeah.
There's namapost abonayo ukuthi this is just for engagement.
Yeah.
So it's bad now.
Yeah.
It's bad.
Yeah, hayi bafethu, sister.
No.
Yeah, let's invite you in.
Uthi ugelo waphelela.
Girl manje, angifuni umkhuluma kabi, but now she has like 2 kids. You know,
Sorry.
I mean, kids are a blessing, so it's not a bad thing. Yeah? So she's around. I guess it wasn't supposed to happen because yeah, she's around. I still see her on social media from time to time on Facebook. Yeah.
And the second one would be, you know how our parents are, right?
Yeah.
They don't believe in arts and culture.
They don't.
Until uvela kuthi, "Uthi umbani usikhe
They don't.
kanjani lo?" So how was the transition for you? And how have they treated you from being back to my university? Do they know who you are?
You can see it. I'd start from, I had to sit my parents down for about 2. So I'd get away with a lot of stuff. And like you said, our parents, they come from a time where you'd have to be a doctor,
Yeah.
a nurse, a lawyer, because if I'm just one of the contents, you want to be a musician, so ish, you know.
Ile.
So I had to sit my parents down and be like, okay, academically, ish, you're bad. Can I please get 1 year to try and see if this thing works? If it doesn't work, I'll go back to school. And I think that was the year where like I went like crazy, which was like 2017, 2018. So, and once they see of the first paycheck or whatever, they'll be like, okay, this thing works. Okay, let's see where it takes you. So, yeah. I think your second question was, I can't
Uthi alenza anything.
I go to, yeah. Uthi udume ngaphandle komgaqayi la. Hayi, usitshela lokho. Hayi. So yeah, that's that.
Ino ngathi nje bese for umuntu ofuna ukwenza to be on the internet. Ngamtshela ukuthi they should look out for.
There's a lot of stuff you should look out for. First things first, your content needs to have identity.
Yeah.
Lo thing you create, this is my. If I'm a travel vlog, I'm a travel vlog. I'm a lifestyle influencer, I'm a lifestyle influencer. Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of stuff you need to look out for. And also, opportunities. There's so many opportunities on the internet. Ukuthi most abantu, they go on the internet, they do the wrong stuff, they troll people.
Yeah.
You can make so much money out of the internet. So I'd say just look out for opportunities because there's plenty of them. I'm a product of the internet, so I know very well.
Like, can you just name few, like, for people, right now? Because would say, there are so many opportunities on the internet, but man,
Well, for me as a content creator
Sure.
and as a creative, because first things first, there's a difference between an influencer and a content creator.
Please stop there.
What is it?
Yeah, just
What
make
is
it, yeah.
it?
Okay,
There's a huge difference between
yeah.
influencers, ne? Influencers, they get attention by who they are.
Yeah.
Content creators, they get attention by what they can do. When a brand books an influencer, they book them for their image.
Sure.
When a brand books a content creator, they book them for their outputs. When
Okay.
when influencers blow up, they blow up because of their lifestyle, their looks, being at the right place at the right time. As when content creators blow up, they blow up because consistency,
Yeah.
your editing, your storytelling, your time. When someone looks at an influencer, they say, "I want your life."
Yeah.
When someone looks at a content creator, they say, "I want your creativity."
Yeah.
Again, you can be both. And if you are both,
Yeah.
you are killing it.
Brilliant, Uncle.
You know?
Yeah.
So that's my view. What, do you beg to differ?
To an extent.
Ichaze kamnandi mhlawumbe ukuthi manje yazini khona abantu abakwazile ukuthi bayisebenzise ze front
Yeah.
noshandisi yabo kodwa hey angazi awungene
Kanjani? Ngiyakuvumela kakhulu.
Yeah.
Like, actually, I feel like ungifundise something.
Yeah.
Angazi ukuthi ngini ke mina ke.
It can be both, actually.
I feel like you
I don't
both.
think I'm a content creator though.
I mean, content is something that you create. You know, it is something that you create out of your own experience. Or
yeah like Kandini content probably
Okay, and based on his definition,
yeah.
for me, it's very that I will see. So this cut because a content creator. Whatever.
you can be both.
Have you ever been,
creativity content creation
have you ever been approached by a brand to create content for them?
I mean, all brands approach you to
Then you
create
are a
content.
content.
no but before you blow up and be recognized by brands kumele uqale ube creative
Yeah.
if we content create if we influencer kumele uqale udume ngobuwena
Yeah.
nama brand bese approach wena which one did you do
Well, you know what I did. I think for me, this interview is not about me. I think Tina,
it's not an interview
social media, so I catch her on Isakal, like the 2013 Instagram iqala. I caught onto it.
Yeah.
And I was posting my lifestyle.
Yeah.
And kwaksa dume lezo zinto. And as time went by, it was less lifestyle and more content creation.
Yeah.
And I think the content creation bus sort of left me because I'm more business sided. If kuguti people take that as content creation, I guess so. But la ngifuna ukubuza khona is ukuthi, what do you think you are?
Me, I'm a content creator.
You're not an influencer. I feel like you're influential.
I mean, I can be influential to some extent,
it-
but I'm more of a content creator. Yeah, because I've seen influencers, and there are influencers that are content creators, like I said. But I think I'm more on the content creation side, you know? Because with content creators, like, when content creators stop posting, their brand, the engagement, they get low. When a content creator doesn't post as much, that work is still going viral. There's still even on my phone. It's oh, can you fresh? You know, their content gets recycled, reshared. You know, so
And to add to that, if you're influencer, there's bad publicity. It affects the entire brand.
Exactly.
Whereas content creators, I think the person and the work is separated.
you get
But
it.
thanks for educating me.
Then,
I think
as, a
that's the
content,
question, yeah.
as a content creator, for you now, what was that one content you created that you feel like it put you out there? Like,
Ooh, okay.
your work, oti, na into yangfak.
There was a video that I did with Tushaga. Let's see, Zompinda Ngo Brown. I think that's the video that actually put me on the map.
Pinangani?
It was a video, but when Usiswa ex yakho teachers line and all that stuff.
Oh, yeah,
But I
yeah.
think it put me on because Ushaga at the time he was like the SK causer.
Yeah.
So as a kid that's creating content on the internet, now you have a collaboration with Ushaga,
Yeah.
Prime Shaga. It's like, oh, okay, what this guy is doing is actually.
Man, which one came first between Yona, Nalit, and Akulga rooms? Because I feel like
after.
it was after.
Because Urumza was for our students. So our students,
Yeah.
they related after. Urumza was 20. Urumza was after. Same year, but it was after.
After the Russia.
Yeah, it was after.
And how reception your rooms are in for?
Urumza is a blessing and a curse. Because,
Why?
hey man, like Urumza, I think Urumza did so much.
Yeah.
Nangalindelanga. I didn't know what I was talking about. Till today,
Yeah.
I want myself for rooms whenever they see me. Where's Urumza? There's people that, because Urumza, for those who don't know, Urumza is a web series about Abafunda Bahlale Res, you know, Res Chronicles, yeah, the Res, Bahlale Res, all love, Amfeti, Ngane. So it's like a comedy struggle, yes, it is, in a funny way. So there's people that were grade 7 when it dropped. So now they're like, oh, I'm in university now.
And
Yo,
they
what's
relate.
going on? Now, when I actually relate. So I think that's my most demanded piece of content. And when it comes to content, or if we create, you drop it on the internet. And then as the creative, you feel like, okay, I'm done. I don't want to do this anymore. So no, it's not like, I've had enough. Even my creativity as well. Saying figure la saying it's okay. I've given it my all. The more creates a man, sengizonikela for the sake ukuthi ngiyanika.
Yeah,
But mina ngisekho la.
Yeah, this is also important because I was also gonna ask: is it important for you to grow with your audience, or you just like create stuff and then say, "I correct think plan, man."
Yeah, I think it's very important. But like as creatives, sometimes you need a break, eh? Sometimes as creatives, we don't take a break. Sometimes when we show more, like it's okay to be a creative and not do anything.
Yeah.
You know, so that's very important for me. I like diving into other challenges. You know, like doing music videos was like a challenge because I was like, I love directing. You know, I love being in front of the camera more than being like in front of the camera. But once I went back to because they're like, oh, we wanna. I love directing. Like I love creating stories and so after content, I tried doing music videos, like telling my own story. We've worked with Ace on a lot of music videos. So that's just try and find a different challenge. You know, there's also creativity block. Like if you get a creativity block, take a break, do something else. You know, so yeah, it's important to grow. It's very important.
Would you say you're one of those first kids in Durban to ever hit like YouTube like that? Because it's when you know
Yeah.
no, I will collaborate. It's when, but you guys are actually there.
Yeah.
Well,
It's like when I'd give credit to Leon.
yeah.
Those are people that I started with. Leon and MTM Sketch Comedy. Those are the two guys that we started with.
Shout out to them.
Yeah, those are like the two guys that we started with.
Yeah.
And they are killing it. Because when it came to like purchasing more content,
Yeah.
if you could look at MTM right now, Malumega Lu, Usmel,
I don't think Konefika going, huh?
no, facts. And then now there's other content creators that are emerging, Watando Comedy and everybody.
Yeah.
So without sounding cocky, I think we were like the first three guys.
No,
So, like, yeah, we like the first three guys. They're like, yeah, I double. I'd say we're the first three guys to actually show people that YouTube can work and content creations and skits and all that stuff. Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you ever had a moment where you were like at your worst, and what was it from, and how did you get out of it?
In terms of content or just personally?
I think personal because it bleeds into your work
Yeah, yeah.
inevitably. Yeah.
Well, for someone that works with brands more, there's something called the dry season. Hey, when the dry season comes, you kind of feel like, hey, no, actually, that's extra. When you're not getting the views that you used to get, it kind of demotivates you. If you're used to getting 100,000 views and all these interactions, Facebook, you post this tombe, like YouTube, your views, it kind of demotivates you. Yeah, well? And you kind of feel like you want to quit. Yeah, well? Same thing with brands. There's a dry season. If the brands are not knocking in, let's say you worked with 4 brands last month, and then for the next 3 months there's nothing, it kind of demotivates you. It kind of, I think depression is a strong word, but you do feel like damn, I'm not good enough, you know? So, yeah.
Because I want to add also to the question, because I think there was a time where you did 100 views,
Yeah.
and then the following content that you posted, it went from 100 to 10K.
Yeah. So, yeah, it does. But at the time, angisaqala.
Yeah.
But once you get used to it, like
Yeah.
I'm used to being like whiskey to me.
Don't you think it's a drug?
Damn.
It might be. It might be. It might be an addiction of some sorts because
Yeah.
you have this mentality with I can't do no less.
Yeah.
So I have to be always on top of my game.
Yeah.
So it is a sort of an addiction. So that's why I'm saying, yo, it's okay as a content creator to do nothing sometimes and just share the gaming and just look around, look at the current trends. Where do I go from here? How do I fix this? And then, yeah. So I've had moments. Yeah.
How do you navigate that? Ngoba futhi you need to also think ukuthi there's more. Says I'm at 3,000. If it's I'm at 2,000. yabo? How do you navigate that part of it?
I think the most important thing is don't just let the money come to you. Also go get the money.
Yeah.
So if the money is not coming, there's no branch just reaching out, go to someone and be like, knock on the brand or whoever, like, yo, I have this idea and so and so and so. How do we bring it to life? How do we, you know? Because, yeah, imali ibalulekile. Nah, imali ibalulekile, imali. So, yeah, especially with brands. And you would know. I'm up plans after 45 days.
Exactly.
So during that period, 45 days is a lot.
Long time. Yeah.
So during that period, you need to find something. So that's where you need to go and knock somewhere. So
Yeah. I think
yeah.
best bengifuna ukubuza from the question at the neighbors ekuqaleni, I feel like okay, there's two actually. From Leah rooms,
Yeah.
it's benithola kanjani permission yongaya lapho noma benenze njani ukuthi nize niyenze lento isebenze, that's one. And then the second one is how dangerous is the internet? Because you know when you guys are speaking about this thing, I'm thinking kunabanye abantu aba-affectayo. Imagine wena mayikwazi ukuthi ikushaye and ensuring ngendlela ade beka ngayo Shepherd, yabo? So it must mean there's something dangerous about it, and thina singayi-understand ukuthi dangerous kangakanani, yabo? In your own view, noma understanding yakho, how dangerous is that thing?
The internet. Okay, the first question was how do we get permission to shoot a room?
Yeah.
Akangihlala khona kule arrest. So it was easy. It was easy. I came back the following year as a student. So we was ama security yawazi mfethu. Uyazi ukuthi le room behlala upra wakho thizeni, can you use the space for yabo? So that was easy. Like getting permission was very easy.
Yeah.
How dangerous is the internet?
Man, nishuta ngani dog?
Oh, when we first started.
Yeah.
When I first started, before ngifike ku rooms, angishuta nge-phone.
iPhone.
It was an iPad.
Yeah.
I'm just an iPad when I first started. And then you grow, you get to grow. You have friends, because equipment is expensive. But the equipment, it doesn't mean your content is not good. There are content creators right now that are killing it. Come on, phone. Big phone ends the sound, and then they go viral. So
Injalo
After-
iwinter.
after that, you buy a
It's
camera.
on my live dog. It's in Negi going.
After that, you buy a camera. You collaborate with other people. You know, it's important to have a vision. I feel like Ace can say, Ace, when a camera, I have a storyline. How do you bring this thing to life? And then, Svumila knows, okay, we're going to see the money when it comes. But for now, let's just have the same vision and go forward. Yabo? So it's also important having a understand that. And then when the money comes, you get to buy equipment, you get to sound and all that stuff. So, yeah. So
And
that's
then
how.
the danger of the internet.
Oh yeah, the dangers of the internet. I don't understand your question exactly, but if so,
Okay, mhlawumbe ngazi ngafrika, mhlawumbe ngazi mokhona u-understandisa. Wangilekelela so break it down.
Yeah, because khona iphutha mhlambe lokuzi-expose too much ebantwini. And then
Oh.
you get those negative reactions. Or maybe even ne-addiction yayo i-internet.
Yeah.
Because when at least ukwazile ukuyibamba
Yeah.
lokhu nje yakhona, I think he's referring to izinto
Yeah,
kanjalo.
yeah.
The things that, because sometimes omunye umuntu angenza nephutha loku-expose ingane yakhe ku-internet.
oh, okay,
But
okay, I
yes,
get it
yeah.
now. I get it. I can, okay, the internet is very dangerous.
Yeah.
There's a lot of people. There's a lot of weirdos that are there watching. There's a lot of people that are monitoring on Abaz. So I just say just be on the internet for the right reasons, you know, because going viral for the wrong reasons. It's what do they call it? It's, social media internet blueprint. What is it called? It's called a blueprint or something. So if you do something wrong on the internet, it might haunt you forever.
Yeah.
It might haunt you forever. Posta into manje, mhlambe if engasile snacks. And then when it's time for you to get a certain opportunity, buye la video la nto how wena.
Yeah.
Yabo? So it's very dangerous.
Yeah,
But like you
because-
need to use it for the right reasons.
Yeah, because kushuba impela man, especially ever since Facebook waqala ukukhokha dog, yabo. Abantu izinto abazenzayo mfethu
Yeah,
ngoba nakho
for
ufuna
attention.
ukusha-
Yeah.
Yeah, bro, abantu nje benza noma kanjani manje mfethu yabo.
Yeah.
And uyabona ukuthi yonke lento is not ukuthi kanjani abantu balambile indlala because
Yeah.
kuyakhokhwa lapha and manje umuntu akana ndaba noma uvela veze nje uyabo ilokhuza ngenxa yokuthi ufuna inyuku.
Yeah, that's right. VAR. Baningi abantu ababenzela ama-engagement nemali.
Yeah.
Especially on Twitter. And
Yeah.
nakhona Facebook, because at least Facebook, you have to work for it. Twitter, you just subscribe.
Yeah.
And then you start posting lies and then engagement and then it's weird. It's very weird.
How's it affected your dating life? Being
My-
that guy.
My what? My dating life. Ooh.
Spicy.
Hey. How has being popular affected my dating life?
Are you dating?
Well, currently I'm not dating. It has affected my
Ayesiphikisa ungabhiki bese bayawuxabana nawe kaya.
say it is like mina bengishimane ne. So mina mina ekubeni shimane amantombazane bengwasaba amantombazane.
Yeah.
So once now you start getting popular and all this fame, and you see how easy it is to get women and how they throw themselves at you, it changes everything, you know. Because once I say it's okay,
Yeah.
there's a lot of stuff on our side nag. So it did affect my dating life a lot. I've dated a content creator before. I think that went well because they kind of understood the space that I'm in. But it does affect, like, yazi ungathi uyahamba uhlangane nengane mfethu uhamba nemam. It's asabona inika cherry phone. Hello shoot. Yeah, well, now it kind of like your fame. Yeah, the fame does affect you.
Yeah.
Okay, sesibuyile niyazi sisemnyango kuba khona ama-glitch athile kodwa ke sisesemajiteni namanje asikashintshi. You had a question, Angela, to Uspe
Oh yeah,
before
I was,
bus BT.
Special or more.
I was really interrupted. By the way, no, I wanted to say, Uguti, how are you deciphering Uguti? You are not good at relationships, because you're in different phases in life.
Yeah.
So why you take experience and uspe of that time, uzomfaka manje, and also how do you know Uguti moving forward? You might be better. Why are you depriving yourself?
I mean, I'd say dating a content creator, you're not just dating them. You're dating their schedule, their audience, their DMs, their comments. And if it can give you isombe esilukile ngomuntu, ne? And with me, my past experiences, I've seen that, you know. So to umuntu uthanda uskate, I'm trying to pay. Or vice versa. Yeah, well. So when dating a content creator, you need to be aware they go through so many challenges. The creativity, the late nights, the deliverables, all that stuff. You need to be aware of all that stuff. So if you're gonna find someone that doesn't understand all of that, go be king. Yeah, well. Also, now me as a content creator, it's kind of hard finding the my intentions are right. Because maybe they're here for or maybe they're here for this, you know. But out of all my relationships, I was the problem.
Yeah, God.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's hard to do that.
No, I was the problem. Like, I was the problem. Like, first things first, I get bored easily, you know. So I'd say I was the problem because I've never dated a woman that has dumped me. I've been the one that's always dumping the woman. And if you look, like I said, so man, thank you for the experience. No, I'm joking.
Suppose le nto yenzayo usesifazane adambe akwazi no
Thank you for the experience.
yenza njani
yazi ukuthi kanyisi bafethu njengoba sihlala yazi khona into engiyithola
Ngeke ngeke angikubambe. Angeke ihlale kahle le.
Kuba
Akayilungisi kancane.
Which part?
Le ukuthi thank you for the experience.
No.
Ukuyidlalela.
Not like that. Obviously, you say what was the problem. And mina I into being shaman and she's banging us a snake. So it's like, oh, okay, cool. I see.
So inkinga yakho zinkulu.
I guess so.
Zinkulu inkinga.
Yeah. I'm thinking when it comes to umcholo, and also for someone who's a late bloomer, if umcholo kaloka ubona ngabantu ade bephele eduze kwakho and they didn't sell it to you in the right way. So you enter every relationship with a shield yokuthi
Right.
yabo
yeah.
what's needs and then yabo. So I
But-
guess
Real talk, do you
Yeah.
desire, like, outside of who you are, because uzoshintsha, you're going to
Yeah, of
grow,
course.
you're going to evolve.
course.
Do you desire companionship?
I do.
You do.
I do.
Bafethu, nezwa.
I do.
No, mina mine was angazi noma mina kuphela but mina ngizovumelana naye siphela yabo. I think bakhona labo banjalo mhlawumbe ungazi utsho to feel bad kakwenzeka. Mina mfethu it's like anginale a patience. Yabo.
Yeah, like
So you understand uma ubeka ngale ndlela ebeka ngayo ukuthi kahle kahle bethu there's kunalabo bantu abanjalo we exist bro. Ukuthi we understand say first ngiyamthanda this one but then
yeah. I won't
me
put up
as
with this.
Yeah.
You have
So
to
why
go.
not discuss it? I'm very passionate about this. Guys, we're adults. If they, first of all, umuntu, you meet them at a certain point in their life. Yeah, but now we're told to see the perfect. Okay, there's no such thing as perfect time wrong person because uNkulunkulu would never put you in that situation.
Yeah.
But if you guys say, Sinjay, yeah, like, why wouldn't you sit your person down and tell them, "Nibonisane," instead of just owning this thing, this is just me? Remember, when you enter a relationship, there is no me anymore. You can't jump from one person to the other.
Yeah.
So at which point do you sit a person down and actually just see it through? Because you can't live like that.
No, you actually put your thinking it's saying the same thing all over and all over again. Because it's not like I'm going to put and get me like, no, then doing zilla ngithandi. Yabo kanje. Aphinda umuntu. Ake my sister, you have to go.
Yazi ngeke ngayiraise lento. I think with us it's the way we look at relationships nomshado. Yabona kune perspective esinayo into engayincoma ngoJack. uJack has a very different perspective when it comes to a relationship nomjolo.
Yeah.
Uyazi ukuthi umshado into ekumele uyenze uyibeke esayidini udlule uqhubeke nempilo. But ithini indlela esakhula ngayo. Lento yamathekeni it's even a lingo, I lifestyle futhi ukuthi hayi yabo for the mere fact that we are even using that word loosely ukuthi hayi amathekeni as if it's something that we have to entertain and engage kuyona. Ngabe umuntu uyashada once adlule. Binakhona futhi umshela umuntu usuyazi ukuthi usubonile ukuthi oyitype yami lo ilento engiyidingayo uyafundiseka more than anything. Sizokhula naye. Nami I'm also willing to learn, ngim understand imashini. But bra mangikhuluma ngoba ngizenza ngcono ngakho ngithi bona umjakati. Iyona into engayincoma ngayo. Yabo ngoba hayi mfethu thina siyibuka ngendlela different yonke lempahla.
Yeah. No, but into zakhona also considering ukuthi yena uthina nalabantu abaningi la ku-internet yabo. And it's not only, I think, how many followers do you have on social media?
YouTube?
Just on Instagram.
300,000.
300,000 and on TikTok.
400,000.
So imagine close to 8, about 7, 8,
But
8.
it's sorry, it's never really like that as a match it, and it's like fun a match here.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, if you're cheering 100,000 followers,
Yeah.
you don't get the same interaction.
Yeah.
You don't get the DMs like how they get DMs.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, but sorry, you can cool back.
No, I'm not saying you're getting
Yeah.
DMs. I'm just saying,
I'm saying you're not.
yeah, I'm just saying, on YouTube, there's number of people, millions of people who watch you, yeah, well, on YouTube alone, and half of those people abantu abangakfollow at all, yeah, well. Kuna labo uzothi muhlangana akufollow but uyakwazi uskills lo naye ngobe ngakufuni yabo mhlawumbe naye uzokwenza lawo ma moves amancane to get your attention nazo zonke into kanjalo yabo. And then there's also those about social media that you feel like, okay, lo uyangifollowa or mhlawumbe ungifollowa ngoba uyangifuna, or like it's a bit confusing.
Yeah.
These days, why do you follow me? Uyangifuna noma
And
ufuna
others,
le
they
nto
tell
enye?
you.
Yeah.
So, especially about 2000.
Yeah.
2000 not dangerous, but
Yeah.
2000 nikutshela manje yini uyangisaba yini.
Uyezwa?
Hawu. Like yini uyangisaba.
Uyezwa kanjani?
Ama 2000 they don't play. Awufana ama 1K.
Oh, us.
Yeah, I nina nisafuna ireason. Awa, i2000 liyakubuya nje emehlweni nithi yini uyangisaba.
Yimo
Hey, nawubona
usaloni
ukuthi-
2K but
Hey, ngiyamsaba ngempela yini actually lebo. No, they operate in a different way ama 2000. But like for me umjolo, sometimes it kind of slows me down.
Yeah.
Yazi umjolo mfethu awunqeni ukuthi uxabane necherry ngo7 ekseni kona ngalosuku lonke. As a creative, I don't like that. Ithatha nekseni nivuka nje. Your whole days.
So are we creating a structure sokuthi ngai-affect i-business ne-creativity leyo mpahla le noma uyakwazi ukuthi imesend message uthi ayakame kancane?
I think it kind of comes back to, I feel like content creators should date content creators.
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
it's much better when you're dating someone in the same space as you. And that's just my 2 cents.
Not only just in the same space. I think umuntu uzok-understand.
Yeah.
bro. Because as far as like wendlela engikuzwa ngayo ubuhlela, you are more like a type of person that is creative, that is very creative. And more umuntu onjalo, you always want to be in your head most of the time.
Yes.
And you want to create. So you don't like umuntu ozokubangela isicefe nesixokoxoko. So you're living in your own world.
Yeah.
Yabo. So manje uyayidinga lo nto, even if two umuntu naye is a content creator, but if understand ukuthi right now you're in your zone.
Yeah.
So you can't just come neyinkinga nje manje njalo yabo. So kana I want to produce some stuff yabo. Manje usuyaqhamuka yona manje why ungangifonelanga.
Yilokhu njani i-relationship kanje? how much does a business admin affect you in terms of content creation? Because yazi ukuthi ama-content creators okanye ama-creatives ayancane ukushaya i-admin yebhizinisi nezinto ziyi-stress zebhizinisi.
Yeah.
If nale iyakwazi ukukustressa to that extent, how much more kwizinto zebhizinisi nezomndeni nalezi ezinye ezivele ziqhamuke nje esayidini but asifocuse kule.
On the business admin side of it, have a team. Well, content creators, we are not that huge, but just have a manager and a brand strategist. Have someone who's gonna worry about the emails, and someone who's gonna worry about all the other stuff, and then you deal with the creativity, you deal with the final products. But the whole admin, my deliverable, I have someone who's gonna worry about that. Well, it's important because I have a manager, and she's very good at what she does, and we are. That's you deal with that.
But amthola kanjani kunobra wethu wayekhala ngemanager la yazi how does one get to that level
Yeah.
ukuthi manje I think I need a manager and actually be convinced that I can afford to get another person ngimqashe. Oh noma how did you structure that?
I think you guys know her. I think Nyamazu Low Messages. So
I know Mercedes.
so how we started was a few years ago. That's how we started. I'm gonna help you with this and this and this and this when you deal with this. Yabo? So most of the things is a thing like a proper arrangements. If you have proper arrangements and a good structure, you can do those. You guys agree on a percentage, percent nako, nago guam. If there's a finder's fee, there's a admin fee, because most of the time I'm a manager, well, in my space, our manager they usually take like 20%. If your manager's taking more than 20%,
Damn.
shit. Yabo?
Pretty.
Yeah.
crazy.
And
a lot of money.
you can have a manager that's going to manage your brand, and then you're going to have a manager that can manage the brand side. I'm not in a brand, there's a finder's fee. If she goes out there and comes back with a brand,
Yeah.
you have
That's
to
what
pay 25 because there's a finder's fee. Uhambile wabuya ne brand what's in Nance.
Yeah.
If the brand comes to me, and then I'm like, okay, deal with the admin. There's an admin percentage, which is like 10 or whatever. So it depends on your agreement.
So, just yes or no. Do you feel do you really feel like you need a manager?
On the brand side of it, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, like we usually call them brand strategists. So yeah, and you need someone that works for an agency, because someone that works with an agency is someone that's on the inside. Because there's a brand, there's a brand, there's an agency, and then there's the talent. I can't go through to the brand. I go through that agency. Yeah, well, same thing. My agency, they go through my manager to get to me. If you can get to a brand as the talents, then you are lucky. Because branding go.
Direct, yeah.
That means you can make demands. You can say, I want this, I want this, I want this. But come on, the agency, yeah, but 30% lab or they need to find. So on the brand side, I do, and it's been working quite well.
Shapiro ukhaleleni kulo 20 to 25%.
Kanjani?
Kanjani? Phela manje I think phela let's look at the value yokuthi
Yeah.
without a manager or without agents you are not getting those jobs. And even if you get them azolahleka kwi-email okanye kuma-DM you are not even gonna
But
see them.
umzwelo utheni?
Awuyiphinda.
But
Umzwelo the last part ayishilo manje ukuthi if ukwazi
Yeah.
ukuya straight,
Yeah.
then you don't need understand. But nalokho kuthatha isikhathi
Yeah.
ukuthi ubuild the relationship and being in the right place to know abantu abalokhuzana uzokwazi ukunokha kubona, because lo muntu lo into ayenzayo ukuthi nje mhlawumbe wazi abantu abathize, and then manje just because he knows certain people ayikho nento etheni ayenzile kodwa uzoshaya imali ngawo.
Yeah, but sometimes you also
I think ukuthi
ukuthi ngivumelana no Angel, because I've seen this kuma artists. I'm not sure if it works the same, yabo. You know, in most cases abantu bebefuna wena basuke befuna wena. Yayizona nto. Bebefuna wena bafuna wena. So mangabe uzothi I mean ngine manager yokuthi ngihandishela ama admin noma izobe brand manager whatever. Sometimes it's not because uyile kubona. It's because qamuke through yena, because value yena ohandisha ama emails.
Yeah.
Yabo? But bebefuna wena.
Yeah.
That's
Yabo? So let
Shapiro baleka ne-percent shule.
that's actually true, because
No, anginankinga ne-percent dog, but yabo indlela ayichaza ngalo mfethu ukuthi if i-agent ingaphakathi, of course i-agent dog iyazi i-industry operates kanjani, iyazi badingani at that time.
Yeah.
So vele lo kumele akhokhele. Uma ungazi umuntu uzohlafuna kanjani ungazi umuntu?
No, but asibuke kanje ukuthi yabona uSiphe uyi-talent uyi-artist ne
Sure.
Yeah.
then kune-manager yakhe
Yeah.
and then bese kube
Agent, yes.
but-ke into ikanjena-ke umthetho umanager wakhe ufana nokuthi uwuspay i-agents ayikho loyal to uspay ama-agent
Abanandaba lena, yes.
yes but in order for them ukuthi ba-communicate smoothly nospay they need to go via
I-manager,
i-manager
yeah.
so hence i-value ye-manager ibaluleke kakhulu ingalithatha nalelo percent because without i-manager uzofana no-Broward lo wayikhala last time ukuthi mhlambe awakwazi ukuphendula ama-email okanye ugcine sengakwazi ukucommunicate kahle nabantu yabo
Yeah.
ngoba ubaleke ne-percent
Also, to add lento esure Ace, there are certain collaborations afika informally.
Yeah.
Awubekufika u-Ace kumina athi nje na into kanje.
Yeah.
Angifaki imanager lapho.
Yeah.
Because one ngofaka imanager because I know you.
Sikhuluma sobabili, yeah.
Boy na into kanje na into yakho bekuthi na mhlawumbe une-person lakhe or mhlawumbe he was just a middleman yabo awuyidlulisi leyo
Man, what if
uthi
he found out the manager ukuthi uthole kanjani?
ayizokwazi ukuthi this came
Yeah.
to me personally.
ukhulume nge-manager ne-strategist ne
Yeah.
I want us to make a distinction between labo bantu labo bowu-two so i-manager yakho is also your brand strategist or i-strategist sakho noma yenza kanjani because in order for us to understand kukhona omunye umuntu okwazi ukuqasha i-brand strategist ibe sibe yi-manager
Yeah.
and if uqashe umuntu okanjalo it's very important ukuthi whatever you do uyidlulise through yena
Yeah.
because so that they can criticize okanye bayibuke ngendlela yabo ukuthi iyamatcha yini ne-strategy senini ifuna ukusi-achieve because if you start doing ama-favors for Ace uzobona i-brand wenze i-favor for Ace and then they start negotiating your rates
Yeah.
because you are no longer following the strategy that you set 2 years or 5 years ago with different strategist yakho.
So for me, I don't have a manager, like manager, because I don't think my life is that busy. But if I did have a manager, what they will be doing will be, if I have a gig, if I'm hosting somewhere, they deal with that. If mhlambe khona la kumele khona kwenze khona i-appearance, they will be dealing with that. Whereas the brand strategist, it's self-explanatory. They deal with anything that's brand. Yabo. What I do outside of anything that's content creation or whatever, mhlambe if ya host mhlambe Live or Envy, awahlangene bona nalokho. Yabo. So when they deal with the brand side of things, finding the brand, bringing the brand, making sure the brand stays, that's a brand strategist.
Oh, okay. So i-brand
Knowing which
strategist
brands are
yakho
lying.
udeala nama-brand wakho.
Yeah.
Not ne-brand
Yeah,
kaSpay,
imene-
ne-strategist kaSpay. Because
Yabo.
phela khumbula noSpay uyi-brand.
Exactly.
Udinga i-strategist sakho.
Yeah. Hayi lo lapho hayi impilo yami
lokho
ayikho.
uziphethe
Hayi impilo yami ayikho busy ngalo ndlela. Hayi. Ayi.
Methanda ukulala ayivula ngayenzi
Awu,
yani
hayi.
uzothethiswa just because lento it's brand related work
Yeah.
yabo so ubazamfonela i-strategist but ukuthi simfonele ukuthi ulele uskits by Spay
Yeah.
it doesn't concern indaba yokuthi hey wena ungeni la manje mina ngilalele yabo
Ngicela ukujula. You know how this industry doesn't, the longevity is questionable. What's your plan?
My plan?
Because, for example, God forbid, you're like 40, and now you're doing skits.
Yeah.
The times will have changed significantly.
Yeah.
And while obviously but in the grand scheme of things, is this something that you want to do for a long time or do you want to seep into something? I'm assuming directing?
Yeah. Great question, by the way. I've always told myself, I want to do comedy
Yeah.
until ngize yabo. But it has money, yabo. So, like I said, I have my own production company. I just had my first clients. We're doing something with, I'm not sure if I should name drop.
yeah
or,
noma yini
we're doing something with Mojos. They were celebrating 20 years. So I was operating that, like directing, the creative direction and everything.
Yeah.
We did a documentary, all that stuff. So that's what I want to tap into now. Now I want to be in the background. Thank you.
Yeah, that's nice
Now I want to be in the background. But like, as far as skits goes, I love creating Gillo. I'm a skit. It's me. It's my identity. But I can never produce like how I used to. You know. Now, I don't know, maybe 10 videos a year, just to show brands and whoever's looking at me say, I'm still here. But now I'm focusing on other things. So it's important to have a plan because, sure, but our content. Sure.
that's what I was also going through your bio
Yeah.
and there's something you did with Mocha Love
Yeah. Oh, that was a shout out to Moja Love. That was my first That was my first biggest paycheck. It was 2018.
Yeah.
So they had a show, which was like a comedy show, and they wanted to do like a segment where both of our skits. So it's like a stand-up show, and then during the ad break, we had skits, and then during the next ad break, we had skits. So that's what I was supplying them with. They came to Durban. We saw shoots. I think about 15. I'm a skits out 15.
Yeah.
But at the time, they wanted like high quality. So it's like bring the idea. You know, so when I'm a camera here too, when I make it high quality, fits enough for TV, and then yeah, there was that, and then it was a show. Waktua is Segunjal, like Mocha Love, and then at the time they flew me to Joburg because I had to edit the work and all that stuff, and yeah, that was my biggest paycheck at the time. I was like, yeah, so yeah, that was my first time on TV. Yeah.
As you're speaking, I'm just curious, thinking about everything you've done and everything you've been through. If you wake up, maybe they say like tomorrow, won't come accounts are on social media and they crashed. Where do you start?
I've never actually thought about it, and it's quite possible because
And it's gonna happen.
I've seen it happening to some people.
Because I feel like
Sihleli yenzeka nje kuwena kancane.
yeah,
Minje, answer back.
because impilo yakhe inceka kakhulu ku-internet, yabo?
Yeah.
And it isebenza around the social media and internet. Then what happens if we wake up one day and then all of this is gone and you have to start over? Where do you start?
I won't lie, mentally they would F me up mentally. But like I'd have to restart. I'd have to restart. I don't really have a choice. I'd have to.
How?
Like obviously create new account. I'd have to go as harder than I used to.
Do you think you'll survive without those numbers?
I definitely will because I think I've blueprint my name in the game so much. I don't have to create content like how I used to.
Yeah.
Like not in a bad way. Come on, I always just kiss my swag. Yeah, so good
Pet.
So I think I can start afresh.
Yeah.
I
Where
can.
do you start? Awusiphi blueprint.
Yeah, it's,
So that for intwana encane eqalayo ukwenza ama-skits nayo,
Yeah.
mhlambe ikibambe lapho.
Definitely create a new account. Definitely talk to my friends that have the numbers on some guys. He's hacked. This is where we start. Collaborations. Collaborations are very important. Collaborate with other content creators just to show people that I'm still here. Obviously with new accounts. Like I said, I'd have to work 2 times or probably 10 times than I used to. Yeah, ngizolidinga usizo kwabanye abantu.
Uthini emuthi yazama vele bakushadow ban lutho ama-views.
And that happens, eh?
Ulokhu uthi clip.
And that happens. Uphinde uthi clip. And that happens.
and also just to add, but like you guys operate in an industry where
Yeah.
like everyone is full of egos.
Yeah, oh,
it's very
true,
easy to sit
true.
like this here and can you see I know this is a collaborator and do all this stuff. But then when it's actually time to do this thing.
seyimjampele bengathi ngisifuna phela le sport
Actually, yo, that's-
So ucollaborate kanjani because ekugcineni mfethu for intwana esaqala for example they never understand the importance of collaborate yabo.
Yeah.
And when you say it as if kulula yabo
Yeah.
and uvela uvuke ekuseni because now bayawenza ama-skits somewhere somehow la abe khona
Yeah.
when usho ngazi ukuthi kulula ukuthi avela ku-DM athi skits asenze lento yabo and then you just respond. I understand you're in your position right now. The name is big, yabo. So it's easy for you, like you said. I can wake up anytime because I believe in this brand. I've done so much for myself. Negama liyayikhulumela, yabo. So industry yenu kubambisana kangakanani?
Oh, in our industry, kubambisana kuningi.
Yeah.
'Cause first things first, when it comes to my collaborations, we don't pay each other.
Oh yeah.
It's not like mhlambe, like I'm an artist, yes, I feature royalties.
Yeah,
no.
ama splits, yeah.
In our industry, collaborations are very easy. But like Ines Vumulan, if I feature you, you feature me in your content.
Oh,
you know, Nja shoot, come through. You come through. How much I make on YouTube or whatever, now. Because when you need me in your content, I'll be there. So that's how our collaborations work. It's okay, dog. What are you doing tomorrow? Oh, I'm free. I'm gonna need you the whole day. Sharp, I'm free. I shoot my own content. I post my own content on YouTube. I make my own revenue. I'm getting down. Same thing now. Oh yeah, I have this new web series. Dog, let's schedule. Same thing. Unless you're working with people that are not content creators, then you'll have to pay them. because there's bona they can't feature you because they're not content creators. Yabo? So that's how it works. Like ukubambisana kuningi because yafana ama-artists organize the camp biz all of ababe khona lana and then we shoot my content. And it's just a matter of collaboration. We do a scene there. Revenue ayihlangene nawo asiholelani. Yeah.
Bethi khona inyuka kwi-content creation. Lo mbuzo ngiwubuza because kunama-sister amaningi ake accuse yabo ukuthi hey ngeke le mali enisikhombisa yona online akuyona le niyishaya ngale yabo.
Yeah. Doggy.
Ma, sorry, ngixoxa ukuphula. Usho ama-influencer noma usho ama-content creator?
Okay, yeah.
It's a bit of
Kuthe kuyenzeka kube ku-2 weeks.
Yeah.
Zingako
Let's go. It's fine. Let's go.
Asikhonje na.
Yeah.
dog in content creation and influencing. There's so much money.
Yeah.
There is so much money.
Awushanje ama-figures la.
Ukuthi mhlawumbe ungayigabuna
Urus nje.
Gabune mhlawumbe i-flat, yabo, gabune i-LV bag, gabune isikhwama se-LV.
You can. I'm not sure about.
Vacation, umusha vacation, Emirates, first class, business class, awuhlali economy.
Okay,
Yilo yenduka le.
asiqale la. So why shy Emirates business class?
Yeah.
I've never left the country.
Gabune i-flat mhlawumbe la 10 million.
I'm about to though.
I-flat la 10 million.
I'm going to the World Cup.
Shut up.
I'm going to the World Cup.
Shut
But
up.
like, you can't imagine, but I wouldn't say I'm a Lamborghini and stuff.
Yeah.
But you can buy. I don't know how much I'm a LV pack I'm in. But guys, you can make 100,000 through one video.
Yeah.
It's a brand. We want you to do a video, post it on TikTok, post it on Instagram. What's your rate? And what is your rate? My rate is if I know who has 100,000 followers or someone who's just beginning. If I have 1 million followers, numbers, which is the most important thing when it comes to brand, then it's okay, I rate you 60,000. So okay, for this campaign, Sifunama Relau 2. 120. So okay, we want you to also post this video on TikTok. What's your TikTok rate? So like TikTok, my rate is 30,000, and then they want you to do a cross posting. When's the campaign? It's all 150. It's quite possible. I'm not sure about a Lamborghini, but it's quite possible. Like you can make 100,000 or 500,000 gonyaga with a certain brand because it's a long term. Yeah. Well, if I would dive too much into it, but like it's quite possible. But I'm a Lamborghini and no, I'm not sure.
So how does it work? How does it work with brands?
So a brand comes to you, ne? When you're correct, I'm being wrong. Brand comes to you, they'll be like, oh hi Skispa, we saw your work. We have this campaign coming up, and we think you'd be fit enough for it. Please send us a rate card.
Yeah.
The rate card is where we show okay, this is how much I charge for a reel, how much I charge for a story, how much I charge for posting a photo, how much I charge. You know,
Yeah.
then they're like, oh, please send us your rate card. Send the rate card. Then they come back to you and then they say, oh, okay, thank you for your rate card. We have a campaign called so and so and so and so and so.
Yeah.
We need Amarilao 2 and 1 TikTok video.
Yeah.
Sometimes they tell you what's about an event attendance.
Yeah.
Well, event attendance here soon just when we event.
Yeah.
Come and catch you 7. Yeah. Well, then you send them all those information. Then back call like color yonkin down. It's okay. Tina, our budget is 50. How do you feel about that? Oh, woman, oh, I'll take it. And then you do it, and then they pay you. I'm a brand they pay usually after 30 days or 45 days.
So like how do you fact check if brand or the email itholayo ngono mi-root class ngoba phela ngenzeka bebakushaya nge-root class nje kanti ayikho yonke.
Well, with most brands, uyayibona i-banner ezansi. Uyayibona i-email e-weird. Kunama-email akhona ama-email e-fake awon la. Uyayibona i-email e-weird, but like for every campaign ezoqala, you guys hold a Zoom meeting. So yeah, there's also another way that you can verify.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And then in most cases, how do you do it? Do you guys sign contracts, long-term contracts? What happens?
You sign a contract, but just okay. If they want you to be an ambassador, that means it's a long-term contract. If it's a campaign, in Teshashai, like okay, gune fill up ban tina as a brand ukuthi we want to service law. We're going to be stationary there. Please come there. Do an after movie of the whole event. Post on your ban. That's a campaign.
Yeah.
I'm a long time ago, 6 months, unyaka. So every month, wenza into ukuthi for this month, usebenza ne-brand kanje, wenza lokho. Next month, kanje, wenza lokho. So,
Do you prefer doing campaigns or like getting a long-term contract?
long term is very important because
Yeah.
I mean, imali, if I get a contract, there was a brand that I was working with. I'm a contract going to be unyaka. So yeah, it's okay. Every quarter or every 2 months, Choli Samba Sako, which is 25%. If they say you're gonna give you 600,000 for 10 months, it's okay. Every 60 days, we give you your 125. Every 60 days, we give you 125. Unlike waiting, okay, the campaign is over. Now I have to go and look for the next check. Because then the corner icon.
Yeah.
If you happen to get another brand a long time now you have two. I feel my campaign but like long time is very important. Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Sethi awungijabulisi ubona ubhala ufone nje kanjalo.
Ngilalele bafethu hayi namba.
We all tell up at the
But I must say, like, this conversation has been very informative.
Yeah.
It's gonna help a lot of male content creators. Go back to Ani, kind of this trend. It's the male child is being left behind, and I feel like you're a prime example. Uguti, you are in control of your destiny. There's so many things you could have done. You could have stolen money. Could have stolen.
Yantshontsho ngensuku la.
You could have done that, but we have every day we can. And I know with your content creation, sometimes like people want to be cool.
Yeah.
You know, you're too cool to do skits now. You know, so pay and so for TV. So shout out to that and
Thank you.
like keep going, bro.
Thank you
Like,
so much.
we're gonna go
Ngiyabonga.
and sekthanda mfethu. Keep going.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu, ngiyabonga.
Awume ngo-4 mfethu awugoqe khona ba. Awume.
Hayi mfethu yabona mfethu uvule mfethu the conversation is it's njengobesho na Angel, it's like an eye opener. Acabanga nje umuntu onjengami mfethu ogcina ngokuthi ayibambe kuphela i-content laphana ku social media and stuff. Usengakwazi ukuthi nayo it's okay mangase ngihlanganisa u1 no2 no3 sangakhona into engaphuma
Yeah.
kuyona kule field engikuyona ngithi yabo because I think ukuthi uunderstand ukuthi ngaloku onakho ezandleni what can you do ngakho
Yeah.
yabo ukuthi u create something ukuthi abantu ba understand ukuthi okay nala khona into ukuthi kanje angithi yabo leyo esangenzeka because nangu umuntu wakithi uyakhona ukuthi ayenze ngithi yabo leyo so and for art bese suke elokishini and bese se dumeka ngaka sha umsebenzi omngaka first shout out to you
Yeah,
mfethu ungayenzi
ngiyabonga, bafo.
nombono onazi siwa
Siwakude.
so yazi now
Indlela asho ngayo.
We used to play cricket together.
Usuzovela athi usengashintshi.
akushitshe la mfethu but no ukusuka kusekwethu but
Yabo nje,
besinephelo mfethu ukuthi ama professional cricket players angithi
shut
so
up.
bedlala sonke so ukubona mfethu omunye mfethu obe teammates wakho mfethu
Sure.
and
Yeah.
mfethu doing big like this but see it's a proud moment so I'm very proud of you man
Ngiyabonga njalo.
mfethu I hope mfethu nezinye ingane zakwethu izobuka more mfethu nabo zibe more creative
Yeah.
mazibona ngabo ukuthi ba enjoy kuphela ukubuka lento yenzayo ba ingaspark interest kubona ukuthi nabo yabo ba create something so shout out man
Yeah, I think another sort of puzzle is as a content creator, don't be too cool to do stuff for free sometimes. Especially if you've never been exposed. And go up there and socialize because the most important thing here is socializing. Getting to brands is not easy because they have to reach out to you. It's not easy, but the least I could do is to tell you how to keep a brand. So
Maybe you can like also like dive on that. How
Yeah.
do you keep a brand?
like how you keep a
Also,
brand,
totally.
your image is very important.
Yeah.
I have a lot of friends in the content space that have more engagement, more numbers than me, but they've never worked with a brand because sometimes their content is too raw. Yeah, sometimes the brand it's your we profile we buy your core email. Like, how do we reach out to this person? Yeah, some people do explicit content, you know. I mean, there's a brand I used to work with, which was an alcohol brand, Young Osh. Young Osh, because I posted a video It was an alcohol brand. Quite a trend away.
Bekutshwala,
So I posted that video. I think I had a 3 months contract with that brand. I posted a little video, then ngalala. Bengivuka, ay ama-email kuthiwa remove yabo. So izinto ayiphosta nazo khona zibalulekile because that video was
Oh, yeah.
it was a stupid video. If when I look at it now, at first I was mad, but now basengibuka manje was a stupid video.
So the bottle, lo tshwala obeka ekhanda when was it the same brand?
Bangabekwe mina kwakuyintombazane ibeka utshwala ekhanda and then ethatha ibhodlela balifake emlomeni and do some nasty yabo. And then me, I'm like, oh, this is a brand that I work with, and this video, I know. At the time,
When are you thinking numbers? When are they thinking?
me, I'm like, oh, this is a
does it
funny
align
video.
with us?
Yabo. So it was like, ish, yabo. So clean brand, always have a clean brand. To keep a brand now, you need to when into align nama values. Don't do it young kid because you're chasing mad. There's certain brands who go now because they want to go to ish. This is a forex brand. I know what's the forex. A lot of people buy color, and when it was a little geek, for example, what happened with this Russia.
Something, yeah.
Yeah, well, so as it is that they needed to do do your research. Does this align? Will this get me in trouble with that? But indefinite my brand, most importantly, is a clean brand.
Yeah, because also I was going to ask you the question, have you ever like take a deal over now with I want to la angihambisana le nombolo kodwa ngenxa ukuthi ngilambile le nyunya ifuna.
I want to be honest, I have.
Yeah.
Shout out to you for iqiniso la.
I have. It was an American, not an American, but it was a brand from overseas.
Yeah.
I'm kind of my friends are all gaming and gambling, and
Yeah.
they were like, they were like, 5,000 USD. I'm like 5,000 USD in 2018.
That's a lot of money. 2018.
I'm like, just for 3 videos. I'm like, I just have to tell people who see, you know, and I mean, they have a disclaimer. It's not like everyone is forced to do it. There is a disclaimer with yo.
Yeah.
I'm like, I'm taking it. Yeah, like, No, but now growing up, I want to say some alignment, you know, they don't make sense. But I won't lie, I have.
We understand.
Cousin Dengeko, ayibo.
Ongenza kanjani kuleya mpahla yase Russia wena? Because yabona makuqhamuka isipani mfethu uthola ukuthi ushayekile nawe
Yeah.
yabo. Bese abantu online bese bathi hayi kwakumele wena wenze i-background check
Yeah.
kwi-brand like approach.
Yeah, I think, I would have done my research because I think it's everywhere. It was everywhere. And it's a branding ayaz. Imagine a brand from Russia. If it is off your like it's not like a local brand or so do your research, go on TikTok. What brand is this? Those videos were there. I'm not judging, but those videos.
Iqhamuka nomuntu eseduze
Oh yeah.
yabo.
I'll lie. Most
Athatha ubrawa wakhe spe. Uhlamba ujwayele ukudadla
Oh, yeah.
campaign athi ananzi enye campaign ilahlile
Yeah.
yaserasa ushaya ivideo 1 ujikijele ku TikTok ukhuleke ngoba lapha ngani kwakudingeka nje ivideo
I won't lie. To be honest, I would have taken it. I would have fallen. If you're saying it's coming from someone that plugs me already, and it track record there to his trust. So which is why Leandro, I didn't entertain it or bash the influencers because it can happen to anybody. So yeah.
Ekugcineni sijahisa.
Yo, mina yathanda ukubuza. Yeah. The one is, do you believe in cancel culture? Cela uyijulele leyo. Number 2, wasepostoli, share us.
Oh yeah. Mzalwane.
Does discernment come into play in your content creation, especially with what Shepherd is asking us? Have you ever accepted brands
Yeah.
that are in alignment? And then once you've found yourself in a space of misalignment, do you then exit or do you see it through?
First question was cancel culture. Do I believe in cancel culture? I don't.
Me neither.
Like, we all make mistakes. Just because I made this simple mistake doesn't mean now you should cancel me forever. You know, it's not like my brand was like this from the beginning. Now, it doesn't mean now I should be punished forever. You know, some things might be stripped away from me, but like, not like my whole being, you know, because if you look at people that have been cancelled, completely. With a personal social media. So I don't really believe in it because mistakes do happen. A lot of people do mistakes, it's just that they don't get to social media. So I don't. We all have our own secrets, we all have, so I genuinely don't. The second,
Discernment.
I mean, after taking, because imali mbande son. Imali mbande son. Like that, uhamba kambe what's okay. I want to be honest. The least I could do is to never repeat this mistake again. That's all I could say. Yeah, the least I could do is to never repeat this mistake again. But hey, get land your content creation. You, because most of this brand, man, there's a disclaimer. You know, I was just the advertiser. You know, it's like someone else organized if of an alcoholic brand about puzu chwala. You know, I was just the advertiser. I sold you the product. It's up to you if you buy it. So my job is done.
Yeah.
But like, yeah, I'm all in this one. That's all I'm gonna say.
But if uthi ungathi ngeuphinde ukwenze ikufica ulambile
Yeah.
uyithathe ngoba
Yeah.
ulambile.
Yeah.
So if futhi kufica lempahla ulambile wenza njani?
I guess it's also a matter of consequences. If there were no consequences at first, guys, you know, because I'll born who's wrong if I just was wrong. So if I was told, hey, my man, that alabuka, I'm like, hey, okay, never again. I'm like, okay, never
No,
again.
because that's like thinking, because it was deep.
Yeah. So yeah. So I don't remember the third question.
No, uhlanganisile
Yes,
also.
yeah.
Yeah. And what I find very crazy is it's very fast, bro. And somehow it leads you to live in a certain way. Yabo ebusuku lifestyle yashesha na zonke lezo zinto yabo. So one of my what I'm concerned about is consistency, yabo. How do you make sure that you keep the consistency? Because most of all, I didn't understand what I do now and and in the next 5 years is how consistent I am right now. Yabo? So how do you do that as pay? And also speak to intwane sekhaya because they want to do these things, but then and they're like, fuck it. When I think it's sorted, I'm fine. Yabo? How do you do that?
I think with consistency, it's important to kind of remember why you started.
Yeah.
I think if you would remember why you started doing something, I mean, you can lack here and there, but consistency is very important in the game because it's what keeps you afloat. It's the very same thing, and some of my friends wanting to work with you. So consistency, it needs you to create. It needs you to be in the same space where other creators are, because, like you said, first life.
Yeah.
If in Kruvanjal,
Yeah.
it's gonna my consistency is gonna because
Yeah.
so it's important to be with other creators.
Because think about it. Usu spanile, yabo?
Yeah.
Waqala from scratch. Things zasebenza, they worked out for you. And then you attracted brands. They
Yeah.
come to you, you're getting money, and then after you have all this money in your position, but then you start being influenced into a different lifestyle.
Yeah.
Well, you now go out. For example, you're a music director now.
Yeah.
You hang around with your tiras, you hang around with your Zalatsukzins, you hang around with these guys.
Yeah.
And then after a music video, to I sit. You thinking, well, I check him say, and to an
Yeah.
So, kusasa kodwa kune-brand of no you should say le ade u-messages ade simusho
Yeah.
obekumele abe strict ngayo
Yeah.
wena wahamba nama-outs ngiyoshaya induku ngendukwini menivuka endukwini phela akwazi ukukhuza u-messages ushilo wathi
Yeah.
ngama-boundaries yabo ngakusasa uma uvuka u-messages ufuna i-content
Yeah.
ayosiphelele.
Like you said, hanging around artists and other, public figures.
Yeah.
Kubalulekile bese ukuthi ungaphiki nabantu mfethu.
Yeah.
Ungaphiki nabantu. And also when yourself be surrounded by people that will tell you. Indaba sengabathi awuzwa but be surrounded by someone who's going to tell you, yo boy, remember ukuthi you have to do so and so and so and so. And luckily for me, I do have people like that.
Yeah.
Those are just boy. If somebody happens to go out, because I do go out, not just it's just how lali I have to deliver this thing. So it's important having the right circle as well. Yeah.
Man, because of isikhathi yabo. And now it's sisemnyango. We're going to take few questions and then mase siyayivala, but umbuzo mfethu engifuna because khona into oyimentionile earlier on yabo, and I realized ukuthi lesi space esesikusona as a society right now, especially online. Fethu kunesifo yabo sokuthi abantu they creating i-identity yabo online as if like online yo, forever. Now it becomes a problem when because you don't know yourself anymore. So you are the ones who's making people laugh and uyabahlekisa abantu uyaba-encourage nani nini nama-views nayo yonke leyo nto ngaphandle kwayo yonke leyo nto ubani uSpay?
Yo, wow, yo.
Yeah.
Take your
Yo, lo
time,
mbuzo. Outside of the fame, the videos, the comments, the likes, the shares, uSpay, mbona ngandeng is, mfana wakacele. Like I said, I come from a Christian family, pastor's kid. Uspay, mfana wazi usifunani. You know, someone that has a goal, someone that remembers where they started and would see move a kunjani. Yeah, well, so yeah, Uspay is someone that knows what they want. It's someone that has a vision. It's someone that has goals and wants to fulfill certain things. Yeah, Uspay nje umuntu kanjalo.
Do you have anyone that check ups on you?
I do. I do actually. I do have friends. Because when abangani abafana, there's group friends, there's colleagues, there's brand friends, there's friends, there's gym friends. You know, I do have like personal people that actually check up on me, like your mental states. How are you doing? No, I'm good. No, actually, how are you doing? And then you get to vent, you know, because I do believe in venting. Sometimes, you know.
Yeah.
Maybe all over, but like ungabother to a sister or to.
Sengiyambona. Ngicamele.
I don't believe in opening up to women. That's just me. They use it against you. But like having people that actually check up on you, I do have them. Yeah.
That's so dope, man. It's so
Thank you.
helpful, you know. I think we really need that, especially singamachi ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi kube nabantu owazi ukuthi they go-to person because uma umuntu ojwayele ukuhlekisa abantu or ojwayele ukumotivate abantu kuye kube nzima ukuthi wena kube khona umuntu ozoya kuyena, you know, la
That's
uzothula
actually
khona.
true.
You understand?
That's true.
So I like the fact that at least bakhona abantu because thina phethu singakubona usihlekisa la ekanti uyagowisha lo yabo. The next thing siyeza to say bilwa ihang.
And I go to psych. I have a therapist as well. So
Oh, that's
like,
good, man.
Like
Shout out.
more because we exceed.
Yeah.
In this space we exceed. Like I said, if the creativity block and everything that's going on, so we exceed. And sometimes ukhuluma nomuntu so let me just talk to a professional.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
actually helps.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now, like in South Africa right now, what are your view, bro? With almost like 44% of unemployment youth in this country, what do you think our young people need to do? You know, right now,
Oh, lad, in South Africa, I feel like a qualification is no longer enough. Now we live in a content world now. Now you can be whatever you want to be on the internet and make money out of it. You know, because like I said, a degree at some point used to be like
The thing, yeah.
the ish, and then if I look on the honors, so I think in creating your own opportunities outside of academics, you know, a lot of people have talents. A lot of people are talented. Someone who can do so and so and so and so. Socialize, you know, go to gatherings, meet the right people, you know. So I think that's how we can. That's just my view with unemployment. We can create opportunities outside of academics, and then it's up to you how you seize it.
I say,
Do you think abantu abafana who are socially awkward can survive in this industry? No, ningangizwa mina apha ngisengixoxa nani la ngihlakele kamnandi ngifaka kwispace la kumele ngicala ngizoqala ngithinje. So do you think they can survive in this industry?
If you are socially
Awkward, yeah.
hey,
Once
man,
uqala kuthiwa
you'd have-
kune-gathering khona osiphe nosibani uvele ubonza
you'd have to work on that because socializing is a new currency now.
Yeah.
You may never know who's here. Like, I know a few people here, but we could have a conversation over something. Oh, yeah, I do so. I'm like, oh, actually, I'm looking for someone. So if you don't talk, dog, hey, there's a saying that says, what does it say? Closed mouths don't get fed or something. Yeah, so, hey, man, must prat.
No, sesivala
You must prat.
sesivala mina ngifuna ukubuza nje lo ukuthi wena njengosiphi usuwazi ukuthi the good and the bad of creating content or being influencer, would you encourage intwana yakho ukuthi bekule space lesi okusona njengamanje?
Honestly, no. Honestly, no. Because how I got into this space was a mistake. I wouldn't advise it. There's a lot of stuff that happens here behind the scenes. There's a lot of stuff that goes on here. So I'd actually advise them to focus on academics, and then it can be a plan B. There's a lot of stuff that happens here. To episode 2. There's a lot. Just like every industry has its skeletons.
Yeah.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
It's a lot.
Sure. Siyayivala.
I know mina ngizwile ngiphi.
Bras.
Yes.
Danke Machiten Sayvala, danke Skis.
Danke much you did.
No, but I know. Thank you for asengizana sweet man kunangishayela cuz angaqedi. Ngaqedi. I'm supposed to say good man Shavano sweet man yabo. Phela sinikeze into right like ekhaya.
Yeah.
No, I was about to say thank you for like giving us your time, yabo.
Yeah.
And agreeing to come.
Yeah.
You know, I think Nazi we soon enough will be playing around the same ocean.
Yeah.
We'll be swimming around the same. We're swimming in the same ocean because Nazi, this space here is on this is fun whether we like it or not, so best identify because internet yonke lento yabo. So Nazi, as much as sibuze lezi izinto ezinye nathi siyayifunda siyayithatha kuwena yabo, and kuna wonke uyifisela wona sikufisela wona mfethu yabo. Nenge ngithi esikufuna thina sikwazi ukuthi sikuthele lo abanye abantu. So mina into eyifunayo wena ngathi ungayithola uthi mulala lapha noma ungena etoyi la ukwazi ukuhlala khona wedwa ucabanga.
Yeah.
Ngathi ungayithola bro wami.
Thank you so much,
Yabo.
guys. Then also,
Yeah,
sorry,
Yeah,
Phazamisa.
sebole ukuthi awela nje ungawela ungabe oqala uwela. Funa uwele more than hundreds.
Yeah.
Yabo, because the industry sikuyona inalo ma chances yabo. There's so many people esibaziyo bapeshe about my content creators, but uma uyibuka ukuthi abantu benzani and they come this side a lot yabo.
Yeah.
So funeka sifike kulezo cuts that's it now siya export yabo. And into engizokubuza yona kunento yakho lina wathi ama content creators now athi ngicabanga now.
There's a lot. The problem about Durban is the creator. Joburg is the keeper. So if you look at the content creators that are killing, the content creators from here. So if at Akoli, there's everything, dog. If you look at the headquarters, the head offices, everything is that side.
Yeah.
But the talent is in Durban. So yeah, that was false. I saw that statement. That was false. The best content creators come from Durban.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Babasaba.
I don't know who said it. I want to say you to a take win. Not even. But young Basab. I don't know. The content creators, the talent is in Durban. Joburg just has better resources,
Thank you.
you know. And also, yeah, guys, thank you so much for having me. I've never been on a platform where I feel so free to express my story and my wisdom. So
Yeah.
thank you so much, guys, for having me. Yabo.
Asiyaxolisa ukuletha kubamba.
Hayi bo, pholiwe mfethu, pholiwe.
Siyabonga kakhulu nathi la futhi Martin sibonge. I think abantu bethu who are also in the space and want to come in the space bakufunda lukhulu, you know, about content creation and even the industry itself, yabo. So thank you so much, dog, and sikufisela konke okuhle, dog, yabo. Lala mfethu samachita ahleze fisela Martin take grand, yabo. Kodwa manje phela ngingacwali yabo, kodwa yes siyafisela take yabo, ukuze nazi ukuthi mfethu la siphakamisa itheku, yabo, namachita no ayiko okunye nokunye, yabo. Kodwa bayakutshela ukuthi unokufana noZix.
A lot. A lot. He even knows it. Yeah, I get it. I don't see it, but if people do, I get that a lot.
Siyabonga,
A lot.
thank you
Ayibonga
much.
mina,
Thank you,
bafethu.
Machit.
Thank you, Machit.
Hayi my shit.
Sure. That was dope. Shout out. Thank you so much. Shout out.